Hello, everybody. My name is Jackie Garcia, and I am part of this course, Translation Techniques. I'm going to explain a little bit the difference and similarities of interpreting and translating. The first thing that we need to understand is what is the main function of each one of them. The interpreting is speech-based. It means it's spoken. We have different kinds of interpreting. Consecutive interpreting, which is the one in which the interpreter listens to a message, then wait for the speaker to stop, and then he or she continues speaking. And the other one is the simultaneous speaking, which is the one that is at the same pace. The speaker is speaking or giving the speech, and the interpreter is giving the message into the other language at the same time. This simultaneous interpreting may be in a cabin with a specific equipment to be able to do it as it is at the same pace. So it is not allowed to interrupt the speaker, but on the opposite, she or he has to be in another place, in a quiet place to do the task. On the other hand, we have the translated that is text-based. It means it's written. We can say that a translator appears wherever it is an interaction between two cultures. That is a similarity between the two, the interpreting and translating. It is to change a message from a target language into another one. In the case of Spanish speaker, it may be from English to Spanish, from Spanish to English, and well, in the same way with other languages. In each of them, the translator or the interpreter needs to have a specific language skills. In the case of the interpreting, it is necessary to have a deep knowledge of grammar or also of vocabulary, and the interpreter must have the experience or the ability to use a dictionary or references, works, or different things, translators, to be able to do it at the same time. Some experts say that this interpreting, mostly the simultaneous interpreting, is kind of a mental miracle, since the speaker must hears, thinks, and speaks at the same time. So it is necessary to have a lot of skills, multitasking skills as well, to be able to receive the message and to change the message at the same time we continue to listen to the other idea. On the other hand, the translation needs an initial analysis of the text. Is something that is more that it requires more study of the previous message, in this case, to identify problems or linguistic ambiguity, abbreviations, or different things that are in the text. Here in the translation technique, it is necessary to have a research ability to be able to look for different ideas about technical vocabulary or technical resources that most of the times are present in the translation task. And we have also to correct the first version of the translation and to do a lot of editing based on the document. So those are some similarities between translating and interpreting, and also some different things that that they have each other. So thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next opportunity.